Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error no download source on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error no download source on your Steam app in your Windows PC, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. Here from the left side menu of Steam settings you will find download. Go to download, click on it, and from the right side you will find the first option, download region. Change download region. This is the first and initial workaround. Change download region. From other than this, choose any one of region besides you, nearby you, and finally choose restart new. This change requires a restart to take effect, so you must restart your Steam app and check whether your error no download resources found is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to the same location, go to settings, go to downloads and clear download cache. From the left side you will find the option clear download cache. Click on clear cache. Clear your local download cache and restart your Steam app. You will need to log into Steam. Do you wish to continue? Choose confirm. Your Steam app will reopen and log in with your credential and check whether your Steam app error no download source found resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again go to same location, click on Steam from the top left corner, go to settings, and here on Steam settings page from the left side you will find the option in-game. Click on it, and here from the right side you will find the option clear delete web browser data. Delete all Steam browser caches, files, cookies and history. Choose delete. Delete all Steam browser cached files, cookies and history. Choose confirm and check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to the problematic app which you having issues and such type of error received. Go to library, right click on your problematic game and choose properties. Right click on it and choose properties. Here from the left side menu click on installed files. From the right side you will find the option verify this game's files are installed correctly. Verify integrity of game files on the Steam app. Wait till 100% verification completed. All 248 files successfully validated. Such type of message you will receive, and check whether your Steam error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again on the same game app, right click on it and choose manage and choose uninstall. Uninstall problematic game and reinstall a fresh version of this game having issues. The one more fixes you must apply in your Windows PC. Use Google DNS server. To do so, right click on a start button, choose run. You may press Win+R shortcut key and here type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. It will show you all available networks in your system, network connections. Simply right click on your network connection and choose properties. Here click on IPv, TCP, IPv4, Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and choose properties and make the check against option. Use the following DNS server address and use Google DNS server address 8888 and 8844. This is Google DNS server. Click on OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your Steam error no download sources resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, uninstall a Steam app or reinstall a fresh Steam app. Go to settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch settings page. Here from the left side, go to apps. Click on installed apps from the right side. Here look for a Steam. Type Steam in search field and click on 3 horizontal dot against a Steam app and choose uninstall. And after that, reinstall a Steam app